Solve and graph the inequality 2c minus 1 is less than the quantity 7 plus 4c divided by 3. So in order to solve the inequality for c, we're going to have to undo the steps. So since we have our right-hand side written as a fraction, we can write the left-hand side as a fraction over 1. And we have to get to c. Well, right now we could see that this is being divided by 3. Well, to undo the division, we can multiply each side of the inequality by 3. In doing so, we'll have the right-hand side, the 3's divide out, but on the left-hand side, we have to distribute the 3 to each term. So we'll have 6c minus 3, which would be less than 7 plus 4c. So again, we're trying to solve for c. We could start combining some like terms, moving them so the constants are on one side of the inequality and our variables are on the other. So in order to do that, let's subtract 4c from each side of our inequality. So here, on the right-hand side, we'll get a 0, and on the left-hand side of our inequality, we'll get a 2c. So we've got 2c minus 3 is less than 7. We have some constants that we could put together, so the negative 3 and 7. So since we're subtracting 3 here, to undo that, we would add 3 to each side of the inequality. That would give us 2c is less than 10. Still trying to get c alone, so in order to undo the multiplication of 2, we can divide each side by 2. That would leave us with c is less than 5. Now, since it's an inequality, we have a range of solutions that we have to cover, and so we have to do a graph to represent that. So we're going to have our number line and see 5 on our number line with a consistent scale. And with the 5, we want to see all the values that it's less than. So at 5, we're going to put an open circle. 5 is not included since we want all the values less than 5. Well, all the values less than 5 would be to the left of 5. And so we would shade in those solutions accordingly. So to represent all the values that are less than 5, we have our graph here depicting that.